want faster throughput of your parts, then this is a must-watch video here at Ashby Engineering. They purchased a BROTHER SPEEDIO machine. Paul, what has this done for your business, and why did you go for this particular model?
Well, obviously the footprint of the machine is small, so it fits nicely into where we wanted it at the time. It's been moved subsequently, of course, but the speed of it and the fact that we can hit 5 sides of the part in one go.
So what were you doing before, and what's this done to change it now then?
Multiple ops on numerous machines.
And what was happening before when you were, with the multiple operations? What maybe would you find that?
Losing accuracy, parts were taking far too long, finish.
So are you telling me the finish probably wasn't as good putting?
Damaged throughout moving the parts through the shop.
Really? And so going for this machine, what is it that you like about it?
The speed and the ease. It's easy to program. Fantastic little machine.
And so this is an example part that you've got for me here.
Yes.
Have you got any cycle times or any improvements that you've seen, or would you have been able to make this part previously without this machine?
Again, probably 5 or 6 operations. Now, that was in 3 ops.
Okay, and as an operator, how are you finding using the machine, and your team members too?
We find it's very, very similar to any other milling machine in terms of programming.
Yes.
And the guys get on with it really well.
Would you consider investing in automation for it and buying another machine like this again for the future?
We've just been talking about a Speedio robot option to go on it.
Oh, really? So, but actually, explain that further then for me. You're considering automation because the throughput on this machine is that quick that you need something else to get those parts on there quicker.
Through, yes, exactly, yeah. That's what we're hoping to do. And we can run numerous parts in one setting, really.
So what would you say this has ultimately done for your business, and what will it do?
Well, hopefully it's made it a lot more profitable, I hope.
And you've had it almost 2 years now. Any problems or service?
None at all, none at all. There's always at the end of the phone, Neville the legend.
He is a legend.
Yeah.
And Ian. And you've been so happy with the service?
Fantastic. Had very, very little trouble with it at all.
There you go, one happy customer. If you're interested in a machine like this, do make sure you get in touch with White House Machine Tools.